Twice a day, nearly 900 weather balloons are simultaneously launched across the planet. The data they gather as they rise through the atmosphere becomes one of the main ingredients for our computer forecast models. The problem is that most of the weather balloons get launched from the mid-latitudes, while most of our winter storms originate way up here in the Arctic.
But we don't really have many out over the Arctic Ocean and in the Arctic ice pack, and that's just because it's so hard to operate there.
Matthew Shoup just returned to Boulder after 3 months of research in the Arctic. The still ongoing science expedition called Mosaic is focusing on the changing sea ice there, but their data may help us solve some of our weather mysteries today.
One of the really important aspects of Mosaic is that we will be there launching weather balloons 4 times a day out in the central Arctic. This is something that we've really never done before.
Shoup and his team also built new high-tolerance weather stations for the Mosaic project, designed to better withstand the harsh Arctic environment. The goal is to figure out how more permanent weather stations can be installed on the ice floes to help fill in that crucial data gap.
At Mosaic, we're going to be able to look at what effect those have. We'll be able to do some tests to see if those additional measurements there actually do improve our ability to forecast the weather.
Meteorologist Corey Reppenhagen, 9 News.